but got his Doctor of Medicine in the University of Santo Tomas. His rheumatology and research in various presentations in Asia Pacific League of Rheumatology, and a consultant here in the province of Olongapo City and also in Dinalupian, Bataan. So let us please all welcome, round of applause to Dr. Jan Pabusan. Dr. Jan Pabusan.
Hi everyone. I'm very happy na na-invite ako through Dr. Geraldine Zamora. She's my consultant when I was doing fellowship in Manila. I'm very happy kasi I never expected na merong ganito dito. No? To empower lupus patients and me, yun po yung ano ko, isa sa life goals. That's why I went to rheumatology. So I'm very happy to be here. Kahit busy ako or what, I will make time para po dito. So, well, yeah, thank you very much. So, mga lupus warriors, that's what I call my patients when I was doing fellowship in Manila. And then when I went home, I started practice here in Olongapo City up until Iba Zambales and Dinalupian Bataan only last November. Yes. Because for me, I did further research fellowships sa UST kasi I know kapag balik ko dito, I'm alone. So I should know and I must know what to do sa patients ko. We also don't have a pediatric rheumatologist here. So ano nangyayari po, I have no choice. I contact my pediatric rheumatology friends if ever I see one. Kasi for me, rheumatology, sana magkaroon pa. So I encourage, if you know any doctors, mag-rheumatology sana sila. No? Yes. Kasi my vision, I hope in line with Hope for Lupus, is to make lupus visible. Not only here in Olongapo City, not only in Dinalupian Bataan, or in Zambales, but also nationwide. So I'm with Hope for Lupus for this. So, yeah. So, the title of my talk for today is, ano ba yung mga gamot nyo? So, lupus warriors, ano ba yung mga gamot nyo? This is just an overview. I just want you to review, I just want you to be familiar with what medications you're taking. Kasi the most common misconception about medicines is, hindi lang yan ang doktor and then, sinusunod sa reseta and then you buy it in drugstores, tapos na. No? Pero yung in-depth na, ano nga ba yung mga gamot? Isa-isayin natin, ano ba yung mga gamot na to that we take? Para mas maintindihan nyo, ano ba purpose na sa akin? What are the side effects? Ano ba yung reason bakit yung binibigay sa akin? Just a quick one. I don't want to overlook the information na very good. Yeah, okay. So, ito yung listahan ng mga gamot na I do believe na each and every one of you kahit isa dito meron. No? This includes steroids, pinaka-common. Includes hydroxychloroquine, which I hope everyone is taking. Yes, so taas kamay hindi. Allergic. HCQ. Bakit po? Ano pong name nila po?